Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 10.3 question number 4. How are prisms and cylinders alike? Number 2. How are pyramids and cones alike? Here we can say in this way that number 1, that is how are prisms and cylinders alike? We can say that a cylinder can be a cylinder a cylinder a cylinder a cylinder can be thought of can be thought of a cylinder can be thought of a cylinder can be thought of as a circular prism as a circular prism as a circular prism thought of as a circular prism. There is a prism has a circle as its base. That is a circle. That is prism that has a circle that has a circle that has a circle as its base right, like this. This is cylinder, the base is circle, this is base, right? Therefore it can be said to a cylinder can be thought of as a circular prism. That is prism that is a circle as its base. This is the circle. So we can say it as circular prism. Number 2. How are pyramids and cones alike? How are pyramids and cones alike? Pyramids are like this. You see, this can be said to as pyramid. And cones is like this. Therefore you can say that a cone can be thought of as a circular pyramid, as a circular pyramid, that is a pyramid that has a circle as its base right? Here you see, this is a circle and it is a pyramid with a circle as its base, and you can say that is a cone can be thought of as a circular pyramid, that is a pyramid that is a circle as its base. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.